hill climb, I gotta do it. That was easier than it looked. Way easier. Mid-fourth. It moves. I literally just came out of this trail, and some old lady, I saw her walking from this trail when I was ripping around on that little road down there. I saw her walking with this smirk on her face, and there's all these things laid over the trail that were clearly, they didn't fall over the trail, like somebody tossed them on the trail. Like, seriously? This Karen's out here on Friday afternoon on literally a dirt bike trail, claiming it as their own. Look at this. Look at that. Karen did that. You know what? Maybe I'm gonna go find her. Get her on video. I saw her walking, like making a beeline out. Okay, Karen, let's have a talk. Through the trees so that she wouldn't run into me. Waiting to see what would happen when I try to go back on the trail. Because she saw me park my bike at the front of the trail. Then I looked back and I couldn't see her, so she might have